Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. Today we're going to be doing a cute little DIY. Is it a DIY? Yes, a DIY bird feeder. Super cute, super simple and easy to make. I'm actually going to send this video out to my students in our little platform online learning thing. They can do this little optional activity. I'm making it optional for them because I know not all of them are going to have the materials with them. I am going to show some substitute materials that you can use instead of the actual materials, just in case you don't have whatever it is that I'm showing. So I'm giving you some options that you can play around with. And by the way, they do know that I have a channel. They discovered it back in January. So if you guys are watching, hey, shout out to you. But this is also a very fun activity for you parents stuck at home with the kiddos. This is a very fun activity for them to do. You can do with them. So the materials that you are going to be needing are a string or a piece of like yarn. Maybe more, yarn isn't maybe like too durable, but this piece of like twine type of string or any type of string. I've seen people use also like floral wire. But if you are using the floor wire, be sure to tuck in the wires because you don't want to be hurting your birdies. But yeah, string. You are going to need a pine cone, peanut butter, and of course, bird seeds. So here I have a big bag of bird seeds. Do you need a big bag of bird seeds? No, you don't. But whatever is available to you, whatever you guys have. Also in front of me, I have a little just paper plate and a plastic little knife thing, a regular spoon. If you don't happen to have a pine cone, which by the way, go outside, go take a little walk, get some exercise, get some fresh air, you know, with your parents or whatever. And it's really easy to find pine cones. But in case you don't have a pine cone readily available to you, then you can use a little recycled water bottle. So I just went ahead and cut this off. So this was my water bottle and I just cut off. For the peanut butter, I don't know what substitute of peanut butter that you can use. If you are using a little bowl like this, I guess you can just like throw in the seeds in there just by itself without the peanut butter. It can blow away. I guess the peanut butter is just for it to like stick on. But make sure your peanut butter, if you are getting the peanut butter, it is not sugar-free, because sugar-free, like the ingredients or whatever the sugar-free is, can be harmful for the birds. So just your regular peanut butter. And in case you do not have bird seeds, you can always substitute the bird seeds for actual pieces of fruit. You can use grapes, bananas, apples, berries. What else do they like? Pieces of oranges and all that. So first thing you do want to do is go ahead and wrap the string around the pine cone. I'm just grabbing it a little bit, not completely on top, just to make sure it is nice and snug. So I did a little double knot there. If you just want to do like maybe a triple knot, just to be sure, you can. You know what? I always do triple knot. And since we are going to be hanging this on the tree, I'm going to go ahead and make a knot here on top as well, so we can hang it like this, so we have the little loop. For the substitution, if you are using a recycled water bottle, you want to make sure that when you do cut it, the outer portions, the edges are not sharp. So I'm going in with my scissors just to make sure that I have none of those like little snags that the birds can possibly harm themselves with. And then I am bending the water bottle just slightly so I can do those little holes on the sides where I'm going to be pulling my string through. And the strings that I was using, I'm reusing them from a previous craft, so that's why I had to tie two of them together because I didn't have one that was long enough. So then after this, I'm just making a knot and then making it like a little basket type of. So do that for both ends. I'm going to take my peanut butter and I'm going to take just my metal spoon. Okay, and I'm going to be putting just like maybe a dollop or some directly onto the plate. I'll do 2 spoonfuls, and if I need more, I can always go ahead and add more. Whoa! Then I'm going to take my little plastic knife. If you don't have a plastic knife, a popsicle stick works just as fine, a plastic spatula, whatever it is that you have. So I'm going to take just a little bit of peanut butter and I'm going to start putting it like inside the crevices. Once you have gotten your crevices as best as you can, I am going to go ahead and just coat the rest of my pine cone and probably on the bottom as well with whatever peanut butter I have left. You should more or less have it smothered in peanut butter like this. It doesn't have to be perfect, of course. You just want to have a good amount of peanut butter on either your pine cone or if you're using a little recycled water bottle. Now all that you have left to do is add the bird seeds. Again, if you don't have the bird seeds, you can use actual pieces of fruit, apples, bananas, grapes, berries, oranges. But I'm just going to go ahead and use for both of my feeders the bird seeds because that's what I have. I only cut up a little slit here on the side so it's not like the whole top. Just a small portion here on the end. I'm going to just literally pour some of those seeds onto the plate. Whoa, okay, whoa, a little overboard. And then I'm going to take my pine cone and roll it. Roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it. Pretty much it. All you have to do now is let them dry. You can stick them into the refrigerator just so they can dry a little bit faster, or you can just let them out. After they do dry up, all you want to do is go ahead and hang them on the tree. And what your parents can do to extend this activity, have them observe the birds that come in, have them take some pictures, have them draw it out if they love to draw, and have them write down some observations. They're little scientists. Okay, so it's beautiful to see what this world has. It's beautiful to see nature. Leave a comment down below if you do want to try this, or maybe you have in the past. I would love to know. And please don't forget to subscribe if you are not yet. Give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye!